Hey guys, today I have a matching Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set. We got this one going. Super heavy towel load going in here with that 2-part agitator. You can see full submersion on the water usage. You actually get to control how much water it's going to use. So I've got it set to the extra large setting because like I said, it's a heavy towel load. You've got 5 different temp settings, several different wash settings here, including the delicate. And light here would be like your quick wash setting. You got a drain and spin, rinse and spin. You've got some different rinse options here also. Now this one here, rinse with softener, the way I understand it is by selecting this, or this one, you're gonna get a full submersion on the rinse cycle where it's gonna agitate. So it's almost like it repeats the wash cycle except with fresh water. After it's extracted out all the soapy used up water. So otherwise I think you get, it's kind of like a half fill or a spray rinse depending on which one you do. But anyway, purpose of this video is as if you were standing here yourself checking it out, you get to see that everything on it's working perfect. That way you know when you get home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. So I've got a little, just an additional lid locking piece here. So you take those 2 screws out, you could stick it in there. See, it's even adding a little bit more water, so it does not hold back on the water usage there. So I'm going to come back and show you that the drain works like it's supposed to, and that it has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. When it's all done with the clothes, we'll move them over to the dryer and show you that the dryer's working perfectly. So we'll come back. All right, now we've moved into the rinse cycle, agitating with fresh, clean water. Here in a minute it's going to drain that out, and then we'll be on to the final spin next. Okay, and we're draining that water out nice and fast there. You can hear the drain running, sucking all that water out of there. Alright, final spin, getting up to speed. You can see from the outside, nice smooth operation, sounds great. Once again, since I have an additional little striker here, and I put it in there, it thinks the lid's closed. But you can see it's spinning nice and fast, and the lighter the clothes get, the faster it's going to spin. Sometimes it can do this cycle 3 times too, which I wouldn't be surprised if it does this a 3rd time. This is the 2nd spin, a cycle it's going through here. Because it has to get to a certain RPM, and that's how the machine knows that it's spun out enough water. But it does that in stages, so a really slow spin, a moderate spin, or super fast spin if the clothes aren't, if it's not that heavy of a load. Or sometimes it does low, medium, and then super fast. But you get the idea. Spinning nice and fast and smooth. We'll let it finish up and move over to the dryer. Alright, now we've got the washer cleaned out. Nice clean deep drum there. Move over here to the matching electric dryer. We've got it set heavy dry, which is an 80-minute timer. It's more than enough to get this heavy load of towels dry. Got it set to a high heat setting, and you've got a cycle signal switch, so you can turn the buzzing off if you want. That's great if you have pets or kids sleeping during the middle of the day. Right here, lint trap. Want to make sure that's clean and clear before each and every load. That way you've got nice airflow through there. As you can see in here, sounds great, nice smooth operation. And when you get the vent hose hooked up on the back in your laundry room, you won't even hear the blowing of that blower out the back of it. Be nice and quiet, might just hear the clothes tumbling around a little bit. So I'm going to show you that it's heating like it's supposed to. About 78, 79 degrees on top of the dryer there. About 73, 70, 72, 73 on the concrete floor. Open this up, you can see everything's tumbling. Now right inside that heating element tube, it's very hot, lots of heat coming out of that tube right there with the grates really hot. But the inside of your dryer is going to heat up anywhere from about 95 all the way up to 195 once it's done and everything is dry and still rocking and rolling. So then the hot air mixes with your clothes and exits right there, which is with the lint trap on top, catches that. Any additional lint goes down and out the back of your dryer. So that's kind of how the airflow system works there. Close that up and push start to get it going again. So I'm going to let that finish up. Go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but now you know everything on them works perfect. So I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.